Hey, good morning, 360 Electricians. Over here at a repeat client, Outdoorsman Church here in Missoula, Montana. Exactly a year ago, we helped them put in a complete septic tank system. The thing was right here. Take a look at the drone shots right here. The guys just killed it. This thing got done. We did some other electrical work for them. And now we're back. They're putting a bunch of lighting. We're gonna put a parking lot light up there so that it can light up their parking lot over here. And the guys are putting some lighting in the front as well as they remodel it. They want some circuits into some of the offices. Great job, great clients, repeat customers. That's what we're going for on the 360 Electrician channel. That's how you're gonna level up. 1 year later, we got another $5,000 to $7,000 project. It's gonna take the guys 2 days to do, got about 1,000 in material. And listen, churches are a great way to go. Make sure if you're involved in any organizations or have friends or families, make sure they know what you do because you'll get a lot of work out of it. Let's take a look and see what the guys are doing. Now you know why they call it Outdoorsman Church. I love it. If it was actually closer to me, this is the church I'd be going to. I just love their setting and what they do over here. They're all about the outdoors. And they don't have church on Sundays because they know most people are hunting or fishing with family and friends on the weekends. So their services are during the week. So they had some water damage. The roof leaked over here. So they opened up all the drywall. And so while the drywall's open, the guys are gonna go ahead and put some parking lot lights out here. Nice little Vito Pro Pack sitting there. It's our opportunity since everything is open to run these circuits, so they gave us a call. The original scope of work was about $15,000, but of course it's a church and they got to get the funds. So we cut it down quite a bit to 1/3. That's why we ended up at about $6,000. So all my guys are micro-franchised. I know I've told you guys that many times. So Brandon is in charge of his own van and making sure he makes money. It doesn't work where I make money, they make money. It works that if they make money, I make money. That's how it's set up. Brandon's doing a service call. Let's listen in.
Perfect. So I have you down for December 4th, and Joseph's going to head your way at 8 a.m.
Okay, that sounds perfect.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Ollie.
Thank you.
Awesome. Bye.
All right, Brandon, what did we just get?
Installing some smokes in a house. She has one smoke on her floor and wants to do her due diligence and add more. So we're gonna.
Nice. And what's our service call fee?
$149, which we've already done. We've actually already. This is a
repeat.
For
oh, okay.
She wants
Very
more,
cool. Nice.
More done. Yeah.
Love it. More work, just like this one. I think we did the septic tank. I don't think you were here on that one, but I had a drone out here. I showed the people on the video.
I was here for the meter.
Right. So what did we do on the meter?
They were putting the fence in and they cut their feed going in, so we repulled. Put some pipe in the
So this is the third
feed.
project we've done for them.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, guys, all right, I'm gonna let these guys go to work. Of course, you know the Ranger design van. Is it working for you or what?
Oh yeah, it works great.
Look at that. What a system. Can't wait. We got another one coming online soon. All right, have a good day. All right, guys, that's it. You got to get projects like this. That's what we teach here. That's what we preach here. Making sure that you're leveling up for 2025. Hey, don't forget group coaching, one-on-one coaching, paperwork courses, hiring courses, how to get these guys to perform the way that they do, where I pretty much don't do anything anymore. And then, of course, our apprentices. And of course, I'm going to focus on you apprentices to make sure you guys are going to make more money and how to be the best electricians you can be for the companies you work for. So make sure you head to www.the360electrician.com. We'll see you guys on the next one.